Okay, this video is entitled the Grand Theft Auto 5 Giant Dump Truck Tutorial. Let's go to our map screen real quick. Here's where the dump truck is located, well, one of them anyway. Right up here at what's called Davis Quartz. So let's go ahead and turn on our GPS. Here goes. Alright, the purple line tells us how to get there from our current location. And because the dump truck spawnings are so randomized, it behooves us to just enter and look for the dump truck. Here goes. Okay, we see one here. Now before we enter, just take a look at the size of this thing. Alright, now we're off. Here goes. Alright, now when you get to the highway, you want to basically stay to the side, away from the other vehicles, and try to make it slowly back to the city. Okay, now that we are in the city, we're going to see how much damage we can do before the cops arrive. Here goes. Alright, here come the police.